The other day, when I was out exploring the forest nearby, I discovered something extraordinary. The place reminded me of a book that I read many years ago that goes by the name of Isslottet, or The Ice Palace, if you're reading the English translation. The Ice Palace is written by a well-known Norwegian writer called Tarjei Vesaas, who was actually from Telemark, the area that I now live in. In the novel, one of the main characters, a little girl named Unn, crawls into a frozen waterfall and wanders inwards through never-ending ice caves and ice forests. Unn never makes it out again. She gets lost in the ice palace, leaving her friend Sis to deal with a different sort of ice palace. The one within. After Unn disappears, Sis starts isolating herself from her friends. And one strong and sparkling cold winter passes, before she eventually makes a move to connect with other people again. The spring brings movement. The water starts running in rivers through the forest, and to me it seems like this movement in nature helps her break out of a sort of frozen and paralyzed state that she has been in after the loss of her friend. And then the ice starts melting too. And the ice castle falls down into the river. The current of the river is now free, and it swipes the ice with it as it rushes through the landscape. It is not a happy ending, in my opinion, but it's not a bad one either. I guess it says something about loss, about sorrow, about the strong nature forces that we are a part of. This waterfall got me thinking that it's no wonder I feel paralyzed and frozen during the winter. I thought about how much of my body is water, and how much the cold temperatures can change the shapes of water. Cold temperatures can create beautiful ice castles. But it can also be a deadly power. And the blood in my body is constantly trying to fight it off. Also, if you look closely at the frozen waterfall, you will see the flowing water underneath the cold winter skin. One of my friends said it looks like veins. I reminded myself that when the spring comes, this strong current will overpower the ice, and there will be movement. And just as I now feel the ice, I will feel that current again. Just like I think Sis does in the book. And just like I hope you will too.